Today we're talking about transforming self-criticism. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am compassionate to myself. I can accept my flaws. I speak kindly about myself. People notice my self-kindness. Every day I criticize less. Today I support myself. I am able to love myself. I encourage myself constantly. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.